This is our friend Colby's K24 Swap Civic. He originally brought it to us to have intercooler piping made, but we decided instead we are going to finish the entire car for him as a surprise. Colby's had this car for several years, and like most of you, he's got a job and a family, so finding the time to actually go out in the garage and wrench on his car is hard to come by. He brought this to us basically as a shell with a mock-up motor. It had the good K24A2 that we wanted to use, but the transmission was wrong. There were no fuel lines, no wiring, no exhaust, no intercooler pipes. We had to make brackets, paint things, coat things, and over the last several videos, we did all of that. We fabbed everything, we coated everything in the engine bay, we paint matched the front end, ordered a missing wheel, put brakes on the rear, made the fuel system, got it wired, and we got to hear it start for the first time. That victory was quickly squashed when we found out one of the cam caps was cracked. Unfortunately for us, Colby's going to be here in 2 hours, and you can't just replace one cam cap because they are made and machined in sets. So we have to rip this entire head apart, put it back together, and then pray that it's going to start again, because by the time we are ready for that, Colby is already outside my shop knocking on the door, wondering why we locked him out.
Good.
Okay, so we're almost to the shop. We just got a box of parts that we need for this motor. I haven't heard from Max yet because yesterday was Halloween and he had a good time, so I'm a little worried about that situation. So we have a real small coolant leak, and I think that's just from the fitting that needs tight. What I noticed this morning is the outside of that is cracked as well as right there. So I'm really glad Andrew caught that. It was really kind of like a godsend that I didn't put that crank trigger wheel, because if I put that on, we never would have taken any of this apart, and this engine probably would have ate itself in, I mean, a couple more startups or like the first drive, it probably would have let go, in theory. So Max is on his way. Morgan gave me everything that I don't have. So he gave me a valve tool. I don't even have a freaking torque wrench. And then these are all a matching set of that, so we have to replace all of those, so everything has to come apart. It's about 8:30. Max should be here probably 20 minutes or so. Another one off so they can see how tight they are.
Well, that one wasn't bad.
Right. One of the...
Yeah, it's a little tight. Oh, I wonder if they even used oil. Yeah, some of these are way tighter than the other ones.
Off.
Yeah. I mean,
It was completely done.
yeah, I started prying just to like start wiggling it loose, and this part never moved. It was just
Sick.
100% broken.
Freaking Honda, dude. Couldn't even handle a man torquing this down.
I bet you it was an impact and no lube. If you love it, you lube it. Yes, all the bolts were dry and they smell weird.
They smell like a chemical burn. Or something, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's got some stank.
Yeah, I'm a little hungover and that smelled. I didn't want to throw up.
Yeah, I told everybody already that
I'm hungover?
No, that it was Halloween and you had a good time.
Uh-oh. Here's the master.
Uh-oh.
Hello? Are you having an airport beer yet?
Yeah, I literally took a first sip as you answered the phone.
That sounded like a delicious beer.
That's exactly
What
what
a-
it was.
Noise to make right now.
Yeah.
You can build that whole thing on the bench, and then you stand the rocker arms
Hold
up.
on.
Like, just straight up.
What
Sorry.
bench?
I know. I told Preston this morning to, get a folding table, and I don't know that he...
We have a
I think
hydrogen table.
Yeah, we have a
with
hydrogen
shop towels.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Okay, maybe go to the dumpster and get a clean box.
What a freaking line you just made.
I know. This is what years of alcohol training does to you.
That is thick.
Yes.
There was even there's a string of it.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. It's like a hot glue gun for engines.
Preston's first time seeing ass lube.
Assembly lube.
Nobody's got time to say that whole word. You never showed me the picture of the torque sequence, so I'm just doing whatever.
Those two.
I'm
Those
just
two. Those two.
kidding. I know.
Those two. These two. Those two. Those two. Those two. These two. These
You're
two.
distracting me from the beeps. I was listening to you and not listening to the beep.
7, 8, 12, 17, 25, 92.
Oh, you're counting like Peyton.
Oh, shoot. It's stuck to the floor. Yep, holding. So he has this like brake tuck thing.
I did calipers.
So we got to tighten those. And then I'm assuming this goes right there to that T.
I would agree.
Worst case scenario, when Colby gets here, we'll just tell him to wait in the parking lot.
Yeah.
I just have to be home by 2 or I'm going to get divorced. I need a minute.
I'm gonna give you a minute.
Is that tow truck for the Civic?
Yeah.
You're good. Okay, moment. Okay, going down on this side. Going down.
Yep.
They're still hooked on.
Oh yeah, they're slow. Do you have any silver in here to clean up the oil bolts?
They don't plug now? Dude, come down. Hey.
Oh, right here.
Boys, are we ready?
Enough.
Yeah. Stubby? Okay, send it.
Watch yourselves.
I need to make sure it's in neutral.
Alright, that's baby.
Clear.
Clear.
Good.
I need a battery charger.
Hang on, it's not. Sorry, it wasn't on. Okay. Edit that out.
No, we're taking that in.
That was a little V.
Who's
We're keeping it.
both of
Keeping it.
right?
Yeah, but it was all funky with the trigger wheel in there.
I didn't see it.
Just put it in front of Dennis's shop if you want.
Is that trash?
Yeah. There's a small party.
What's up, man?
How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
How's things? How's the kids?
Good.
Good. Doing good. What's up, Trav?
What up, man?
How are you, bud?
Good, man. How you doing?
Good.
Do you wanna go put the battery box on? Sorry. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It makes sense now.
Oh no! Let me show you what makes sense. Come here. You can come. Everyone, come here. Come. So when he showed up yesterday unannounced, we had just found that one of the cam bolts or cam covers, cam caps, was broken.
Really?
So Max replaced everything this morning with Morgan's parts.
Wow.
That's why I was freaking out because I didn't know how to handle it.
Did that happen on fire up or?
No, that's how.
found it.
That's probably how it was.
Luckily, Preston didn't put the crank trigger on.
Because you didn't give me one. Because we weren't supposed to do any of this.
Yeah, and so car was running kind of weird yesterday apparently, and they pulled the crank, pulled everything off to check, and then Andrew, wherever Andrew is, saw the crack in the cam cap.
Oh, good call.
So it's a good thing, you know?
Yeah, caught it.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's a good thing.
It was a literal godsend. Because otherwise the motor probably would have ate itself.
Wow.
Yep.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, I didn't, this was Preston.
This was Max. I didn't do anything.
Preston, bro.
Okay, now we got to show you everything we did. I'm really proud of this for no reason at all. You can still fill it up with the factory thing, but this is everything's done. Morgan wired up the fuel pump. It's fused. You have to make a battery mount. There's a couple things that we didn't have time for, and I'll walk you through everything.
Sure.
It's all simple.
Sure.
Like your brakes. Don't drive this.
Yeah.
They don't work.
Right.
Battery mount, but fuel system's done, vented, returned. Everything's kosher there. Yeah, I showed them that. Yeah, neat. Up here's kind of, I'm hoping what you wanted. We just clocked that a little bit so it clears the hood.
Yeah.
Had to cut a little bit for the valve cover to clear.
Yeah, I knew we had to do that.
Yeah. Made an over necessary catch can.
Wow.
That's mounted. Exhaust is done.
Intercooler's mounted.
Intercooler's mounted. Oh yeah, this is painted.
Radiator's mounted.
Front end's
yeah.
painted. Your bumper's painted. Ideally, we should have told you to come back next week, so it was like all done. But yeah, everything's painted, everything's coated.
On real. Killed it. On real.
Rear ends mounted, braced, all that stuff.
Yeah, welded.
I have a drive shaft.
Okay.
Well, that would have been good to know. That would have made this surprise cooler.
It's on the car still.
Yesterday.
What car?
It's an abandoned CRV at my work.
Okay.
So I have
Well,
one.
cool.
Dude.
I was gonna tell you yesterday, but he was like really watching me, and I was like, I can't send a message. He'll go through my phone.
She had something to do with this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she knew. He knew.
What the
Because we were talking yesterday, because he was
last time we were
freaking
in
out at
Joplin.
dinner, and I was like, I don't know. I was like,
He was
wouldn't
freaking
be
out?
Yeah, he's like, he's like, why wouldn't he tell me? He's like, am I stupid? And I'm like, no, I don't know. Like, he's not gonna do all this.
Wait, so how much did you notice yesterday when you walked in?
I didn't see a thing.
Okay.
Tell them about the picture that was posted.
Oh, the picture on Facebook of which one was that?
You holding
I was holding the motor, and your car was in the background.
Was that my motor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it was the motor
One
for that
feather.
R2.
No, I was holding
green
a different
one.
motor, but your car was in the
sitting in
background.
picture.
I saw the car in the background.
I was freaking out. I edited. I made the
Oh,
car
I zoomed
black.
in.
I made the car black afterwards.
I tried to
In case you,
look.
like,
I was like,
revisited
what do
the
we got
picture.
going on back here?
I called him and I was like, just so you're aware. He was staring really hard at
I don't know
that
how
picture.
Preston edited the picture and then got it back on Facebook.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Science
Yeah.
Rim.
and an app.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, wheel.
Oh, yeah.
You got to get different tires, but you have all 4 wheels now. That was the only tire they had, so it's different. But that wheel's brand new.
Really?
We know you wanted the different blue fancy ones, but
Oh,
I
yeah.
didn't have
No,
6
no,
grand,
you're
so
good.
this is what you get.
I'm shocked. Completely shocked right now, man.
Good. That was the goal.
Oh, man, I'm shaking.
Good. Because I was shaking yesterday when you came. I was freaking out.
felt so bad when I left,
Morgan,
dude.
Morgan was freaking
You
out.
know that Morgan doesn't like show a lot of.
Emotion.
He called me flipping out yesterday. He goes, dude, in like 20 minutes, found out that there was no crank trigger. Then we found
Because
the
we were,
cam bolt,
we were,
cam cap
because
all
it,
fucked up.
because
And
it
he's like,
started.
and then Colby walks in. What are the odds?
Yeah, because we were like, cool, it started, everything's done, sick. Okay, forgot to do that trigger, not a big deal, pain in the butt. The motor's gonna eat itself if we don't fix it. Colby walks in. It was just like,
And the only thing I heard from his mouth was, the universe has a strange way of whatever he had said then. I was like, huh, weird. Well, this motor must have been apart then if it was missing a trigger.
Well,
the timing. That's just on the timing cover
it's
side.
just the timing cover. If you pull the timing cover off, it's just.
Well, I did all that when I did the oil
Oh,
pump.
so I see what you're saying.
If
was-
it wasn't
never
there, then
Yep.
I didn't install it.
Yep.
There's a 92% chance that I took it off and put it somewhere. But I doubt it.
Yeah.
I feel like I would have put that.
Taken that part off. You just took the cover off.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Unreal.
Either way, it's done. You're welcome.
I appreciate everything.
Yes, sir.
you've done.
All the brakes are tightened, right? You tighten the inside too.
Need bled?
Need bled. We got the clutch bled.
Fluid?
Yeah, we got the clutch bled. Fuse boxes in the glove box.
Killed it. Looks
Double
great.
check everything.
Double check everything. Unreal.
I need him to cry.
I'm just waiting.
Gotta
Don't
cry.
cry.
I need you to cry like a little. It'll make this video so much better. That was my motivation.
His eyes are
Super,
red.
super unreal, man. I've waited for it for a long time, man. I always. That's crazy.
Oh, I totally thought you were wiping your eyes. I was like, we got it. Oh, it's coming. They're good. Yeah, walk away before you
I
get
have
it.
one thing to say is you always support us. Yep. So
Yep.
this is just the revolving door, in my opinion.
Yeah, I
I
don't
mean,
have
this
a lot
was
of
all
words.
Preston's idea, so
When you messaged
hats
me,
off.
like if you need work, like you could help Preston with this car, and I was like, nah, we keep our stuff separate. Like this was the whole plan.
I just didn't have any idea that they all had. So
I was so worried, no offense. I was so worried you slipped something because some of the questions you were asking me yesterday, I was like, he's fishing for some answers. I'm like, I wonder if she let something go. She didn't.
Not me.
Fantastic.
I knew that's why you stood with your mom here. Something was up. I knew something was up when you were standing right here with your mom. I was like, something's weird.
We were just talking wedding stuff.
Flashlights on like an old man.
Wow.
Oh, now you. Oh.
That was you right there.
Yeah, dude, he was like doing flies with the straps. And then he stopped. He didn't cry, at least in front of us. I'm hoping they're going to spy on him tonight and get some crying videos so I can include it for you. If you guys like what we just did, this is something I want to do over and over and over again. Okay, so on our Patreon, we're going to change Patreon. 100% of what you give on Patreon is going to go towards the next car that we do like this. In addition to that, if you guys have extra parts that, like, if you bought an intercooler kit and you have some leftover piping, if you upgraded fuel pumps and you got your old one, like, I'm going to set up a mailbox so that you guys can send parts in that you're not going to use. And then when they arrive, I'm going to label them who they're from. So next time we're doing a build, we use your part, we'll give you guys a shout out on the video. At the end of the day, we need these videos to get a bunch of views. If you guys like what we did, you want to see more of it as much as I want to do more of it, send it to a friend. Like the video, comment, but send it to some people that you think are actually going to enjoy what we're doing, because we need you guys in numbers to make this happen. That was a lot of fun. We ran out of time. There was a lot that we kind of did last minute, and I put a deadline on ourselves that you could have been better, but for our first go around, I'm pretty pumped about it. Travis donated parts. Travis came down here this morning, helped. Max did a ton of work on the car. Morgan did a ton of work on the car. Zach worked on the car. Andrew worked on the car. Manny and Adrian, I think, have lent a hand here and there. I mean, just kind of everybody helped out. So that was really cool. And then off camera, I don't know how much Andrew filmed or how much I showed you guys, but off camera, like, he kept giving everyone hugs, and that was what I wanted. We freaking did it. So I'm going to go enjoy a day off. And like I said, if you guys want it, we're going to be working on this thing next. I'll let you know more about it. It's sat in a field for 25 years. It's like a little time capsule in some parts of it. It's pretty cool. So we're going to tackle that next. Thank you guys for watching. That was a giant success. I'm really happy with how that ended. Freaking A. All right, I'm going to go enjoy a day off and get some sleep. Thank you guys for watching. Send this to a friend, like the video, comment, do all that stuff, but really pick a friend that you think would enjoy this, send it to them. We'll see if we can make this happen again. I got nothing else for you. Thank you guys for watching.